Jaintia Students Movement Central Body nekasngi kala Pynkup Burom igi Samla Pule balapoi syakmat hakikar dan Pule baper hahol kat pep pale jawai bala danlang ru uba lakmen rumbui menteri keteran Pule Puthi kumukongsan uba LS Lingdo Joint Director of School Education and Literacy West Jaintia Hills kirekod ka JSM kinoyalam nagi seng bhalang baper bat kiwe yakani ka jing Pynkup Burom natip kum ka 4th Academic Excellence Award naga bentagi ba pas bha hak result SSLC but HSSLC graduation tak ba yo prapo persen shaneng President JSM Central Body Leaning Star Rambai hakani ka sngi ula kran hak jing ade bat ka jinglong jingman ka Pule Puthi hapo ka district bat kumba ka Pule Puthi ka jingnang jing start de ka we ka benta ba kongsan jong ka roi ka par hak imlang salang Ulapan kenma ru ya kajing lenti ka seng habaya de ba kajing dawa penyo Government College ha East Jaintia knang ba pakyang nang ba Government College ha Jowai kan lat na kajing khamnya uba lakmen rumbui kongsan habakren uong kajing pas bah kini ki basha Pynkup Burom kampat de ka bakut bat teng teng yo i bagi Samla ha kajing sung start ki pinsep a ya ka long brio hadien bagi pas bah ha ka jaka ban penne shushu ki penjam kala Uba LS Lingdo Joint Director of School Education and Literacy West Jaintia Hills ula ai ka jinge ro ka JSM baka shimkum kani ka sen jam ban penslur shushu yaki Samla
na khnru kani pensep ai ye ka jing im yo snyau study tek ngayu manda pas ba maria pas ai thau nang pengkre cucu penjem penban to penjem to nang pen e chu chu nei ba ka jing im yong i kan ni to learn relearn to man ka jing im yong i to equip i ki skill reskill upskill ye ti ba ile ba life is full of challenges. And life is so dynamic. It gives everybody an opportunity. Don't think that today there is no more opportunity. Opportunity is plenty for those who are willing to struggle, those who are willing to undergo, and those are willing to take up the challenge. But if you think of life is easy, then the possibility is remote. I'm not telling that it is not there, but remote. So, my dear student, we should take life as a journey full of challenges. Life is a journey, it's a beautiful journey when you overcome the challenges. You have passed this exam and JSM will facilitate you. What a beautiful journey because you are overcoming the challenges.